Hi, I'm Alan Smith, and this is Moss Mountain Farm. Moss Mountain Farm is my home, but it also serves as a set for my television shows, a teaching facility for testing new plant varieties and homesteading techniques, as well as a place for visitors to experience the beauty of the gardens and surrounding landscape. I designed this place around the garden home concept, where blurring the lines between inside and out creates a real connection with nature. Everything has a sense of place, like it belongs here, and blends seamlessly with the beautiful landscape overlooking the Arkansas River Valley. My home is open for you to explore. The interior design reflects the spirit of the garden, furnished with a blend of antique and modern pieces. During your visit, you'll be treated to a delicious meal from my cookbook. Of course, no farm is complete without the pitter-patter of paws, claws, and hooves, and you'll see more than your fair share on your visit. Whether it's a private tour, a special event, a party, or even a wedding, I'm sure that you'll find your visit here at Moss Mountain Farm as enjoyable as I enjoy sharing it. I hope you'll come see us soon.